This is a helmet. This one's mine. This one is a Halo 4 Master Chief / Halo 5 Master Chief from Evakura.
What's that
props.
written on it?
Evakura. That's the guys who made this helmet. Hey, it's Adam Grumbo. Long time no see. So, Halo Outpost is coming to Houston, Texas. And I've got to be there. And I don't have any armor anymore, so we're going to make some fresh. Well, not fresh.
What's Halo Outpost?
Halo Outpost, it's in August. It's a giant Halo convention / amusement park sort of thing.
Can we come with you?
Yeah, I hope so. I think it'd be fun. So this is the Halo 4 Master Chief, Halo 5 Master Chief from Evakura props, which they just started offering kits for. And it's great. I think it's wonderful. It's a great size. It's exactly what I want. This is Caden. Wait, what? Park it. What I'm doing here is I'm using Gaff Tape to thicken up the neckline because the mold is great. It's very consistent. There's a couple of thin spots which I want to thicken up. Just a personal preference. It doesn't need to be done, but I'm really rough on my armor. So I'm gonna thicken it up so I can drill holes in it, attach fans to it without having to worry about it cracking. So I will have a heavier helmet than usual, but it will be a little bit more durable. So you might be asking why I'm using Gaff Tape instead of painter's tape. I don't have any painter's tape. I haven't done costuming in a little while, and while I probably do have painter's tape somewhere hidden in some kind of storage bin, I can't go digging through the garage to find it at the moment. Now, one way to tell how thick your plastic is, if you didn't make it yourself, you can hold it up to the light, and if you can see through some holes, it's too thin, at least for my taste, and I can see through a few holes. I'm not disparaging the quality of Evakura. I don't know how you pronounce it. I'm not disparaging the quality of their armor, but everybody has a taste, and my taste is to have a little bit thicker armor. Now this is a Smoothcast Onyx. This is Smoothcast Onyx Fast. Here comes another kid. His name is Connor. He is being Bob Ross today. What you got? Let's see.
It's you.
This is me. This is me. Look.
As some sort of superhero.
This is me as a superhero. I like the ears. Very accurate.
Those aren't ears. That's Niffler.
Niffler, the Sniffler. I decided to do both. Smoothcast Onyx Fast. This came out midway through me working on costumes, and I got the Fast, and if you're not real quick, this stuff will solidify inside your mixer cups, because Fast means fast. I think it's a little bit harder of durability than what this is made out of, so it'll be a little bit more brittle. I can live with that. Mixing part A, mixing part B. They're gonna go into the blue cup, which I can differentiate. And prepare, here comes, this is the first time in a decade that I've mixed plastic. Gotta be quick with it. And in it goes. I'm already spilling it all over myself, which is why we're outside instead of in the garage like normal. All right, get in there. And you're supposed to pour a little bit out. I want a little bit to come out so that it gets that rim real good. That's also one of the easiest places to break, because on a hot day of conning and trooping, you want to rip that thing off as soon as possible. Everybody wants to come say hi. Hey Zoe, please.
Who let the dogs out?
Please stick your face in hot plastic.
Zoe. Zoe.
Well, I have had lots of dogs stick their paws in plastic. Hopefully we're going to avoid it this time. Man, that smell is nostalgic. I haven't smelled that in a long time. It's a very memorable scent. So for the next batch, I will mix it a little bit longer so I don't have to slush and wait. Yeah, I gotta do a couple more coats. The hardest part of getting this is where the lights go on the side. Those are big bumps that are hard to slush over. Sometimes you can put some filler material on there, or even ground up old plastic parts to make it thicker. Yeah, that one is a much faster cure. Part of the reason why it's a little faster is because it's already hot inside the helmet. You do not want plastic on your paws. I've had plastic on my paws. It's not a good experience. This might be a last pour. This might work out. The rear of the helmet is still a little thin. I can still see through the back of it, and I don't want that. Concentrate on the rear end. It's always my philosophy. Wouldn't you agree, Caden?
Yeah.
Me too. All right, I think I have enough to pour it up top and then let it come out the bottom there. We waited a couple minutes now, and it has cured itself onto the cardboard, just like I always wanted. It's still warm. I think I'll wait maybe an hour before I peel the tape off. It's a little tacky, but I think that's because I used Gaff Tape instead of painter's tape. Here's a good up-close look of what's going on. Got a nice even pour of plastic that came out the sides. So now the thickness of the neck and everything else is way better. Look. Oh, it's fascinating, isn't it? Can't see anything.
Yep.
You want to try it on while it's still wet?
No.
Okay. Still got it. I have no plastic on my feet, no plastic on my legs, but I'm groovy. So not bad for a first outing. Just gotta wait till the helmet cools off and finishes curing. And then I'm gonna chop it up into little pieces and attach all those greeblies. So check back later for that video. Do subscribe if you want to see how to put together an Evakura Evakura armor set of Master Chief 4 before Halo Outpost happens. So subscribe. See you guys soon.